Now let us pass on to the first paragraph in page number 14. Okay, first paragraph. Let us pass on to this one, please. From the banyan tree, I often saw the mongoose patrolling the four corners of the garden, and once I saw him with an egg in his mouth. I knew he had been in the poultry house. But he hadn't harmed the birds, and I knew grandmother would forgive him for stealing as long as he kept the snakes away from the house. So, from the banyan tree, where was the boy sitting? He was sitting on the branches of the banyan tree. From the banyan tree, the boy saw the mongoose patrolling. Patrolling means, what is the meaning of the word patrolling? Means going round. You see, highway patrolling, we know it, going around. The four corners of the garden. I saw the mongoose going around the four corners of the garden. I was sitting on the branches of the banyan tree. From there, I could see the mongoose there. And once I saw him with an egg in his mouth. Once I saw him with an egg in his mouth. There was an egg in his mouth. I'm quite sure and knew he had been in the poultry house. Where was he? He had an egg. He was in the poultry house. House of the chickens. Okay, he stole the egg from there. I am quite sure. But he hadn't harmed the birds. But he didn't kill the chickens. He didn't kill the hens and cocks. He didn't harm them. He just stole the eggs. And knew grandmother would forgive him for stealing as long as he kept the snakes away from the house. He stole eggs from the poultry houses. But grandmother would forgive him. Why? No problem for grandmother. Why? Let him take the eggs. Why? He will keep the snakes away from the poultry house. He will kill the snakes. So grandmother will forgive him for taking let him take it. No problem. Let him take it. So why? He was keeping the snakes away from the poultry house. So grandmother, in that case, he was very happy. The banyan tree was also the setting for what we were to call the strange case of the grey squirrel and the white rat. The banyan tree, this banyan tree was the setting of a film, setting of a particular scene, setting of the film. So this banyan tree, this tree was the setting for what we were to call the strange case of grey squirrel and white rat. So something happened there in the banyan tree. Some incident. What is it? It was a strange case of grey squirrel and white rat. Grey squirrel and white rat. So the banyan tree was a setting. The white rat was the grandfather's. This white rat, it belongs to grandfather. Why? He had bought it from the bazaar for 4 annas. Grandfather bought this white rat from the bazaar, giving 4 annas, old paise, 25 paise, equal to 25 paise. Okay, so he bought it from the bazaar, giving 4 annas. But I would often take it with me into the roots and branches of the old tree. Okay, white rat belongs to grandfather, but I will take it in my pocket. I will take it to the banyan tree, to the roots and branches of the banyan tree. The banyan tree, where it is soon struck up a friendship with one of the squirrels. See, in the banyan tree, he made friendship with one of the squirrels. The rat and the squirrel became friends because the boy was taking this white rats to the banyan tree often. Then they would go off together. They would go off together on little excursions among the branches. What would they do? Both the rat and the squirrel went on excursion on the branches of the banyan tree. They went on excursion on the branches of the banyan tree. So excursion, a small trip. They were running together on the branches of the banyan tree. Who are they? The squirrel and white rats. Okay, then next. Then the squirrel started building a nest. You know what a nest is? Nest of birds. You know it very well, no? And our squirrel, this squirrel started building a nest where at first She tried building it in my pockets. She made the nest in my pocket. She made a nest in my pocket. Okay, see the word she. She tried building it in my pocket. She, female. Female squirrel. You remember the first squirrel which we came across in the beginning? The squirrel which took food from the boy. That he squirrel. This is she squirrel. She, see, these are entirely different squirrels. Both of them are different. First one is different from this one. At first, she tried building it in my pockets. And when I went indoors and changed my clothes, I would find straw and grass falling out. How did the boy realize that it was trying to build a nest in the pockets? Because when the boy went indoor and the boy was changing the clothes, what was falling down? Something else was falling down. The straw and the grass. Straw, you know what it is, and the grass were falling down. Then the boy realized that, of course, the squirrel was building a nest in my pocket. Then one day, grandmother's knitting was missing. One day, grandmother's knitting was missing. You know what a knitting is? See, this is knitting. This cross means she was trying to stitch a cloth, make a cross, knitting a cross, we will have to say, knitting. This cloth was missing, which she was trying to make. This cloth was missing. One day it was missing. We hunted it everywhere, but without success. We hunting, searching, hunting for animals. Here, we searched for the knitting. We searched for this cloth everywhere in the house, but of no use. We couldn't find it out. Next day, I saw something glinting in the hole in the banyan tree. Next day, I saw there was a hole in the banyan tree. Something was shining, glinting, a flash of light. I could see the flash of light from the holes. Okay. Going up to it to investigate, I saw it was the end of the grandmother's steel knitting needle. Then something was shining inside the hole. When I went there to investigate, to search, I could find it was the end of the needle. You know what a needle is? It was the end of the needle. End of the needle was shining from the hole. Then, on looking further, I discovered that the hole was crammed with knitting. I discovered the hole was crammed with knitting. The hole was filled with this knitting, jammed with the knitting, with the cloth. And amongst the wool were 3 baby squirrels, all of them white, not grey squirrels. How many squirrels were there? 3 baby squirrels and total 3 baby squirrels were there. Where? In the hole of the banyan tree. 3 baby squirrels were there. Quite surprising. The boy didn't expect it. Grandfather had never seen white squirrels before, and we gazed at them in wonder. Grandfather, in his life, almost 65 years old, grandfather had never seen white squirrels. He had never seen. And both of us see. And we gazed means looked at each other. I looked at the grandfather and grandfather looked at me. In wonder, surprise. We were puzzled for some time. We were confused. We were surprised for some time. But when I mentioned the white rat's frequent visits to the tree, grandfather told me that the rat must be the father. Grandfather was very much surprised. And the boy was also very much surprised. They are looking at each other. And the boy said, grandfather, the rat was making a visit to the tree. The squirrel was there. And the rat was going to the branches of the banyan tree. When I said this to grandfather, okay, grandfather said, then the rat must be the father. Naughty fellow. Then this man, rat is the father of these squirrels, white squirrels. Because he was making a visit to the branches of the banyan tree with whom the grey squirrel. So he is the father. Okay. Then rats and squirrels were related to each other, he said. And so it was quite possible for them to have offsprings in this case. White squirrels. See, and rats and squirrels were related to each other, he said. And so it was quite possible for them to have offsprings. They are related to each other. Look at their face. See, the only thing is tails are different. See, look at their face. They are almost related to each other, isn't it? Almost same, except in the case of the tail. They are related. Look at the face of the squirrel and look at the face of the rat. They are related to each other, isn't it? So grandfather says they will have offsprings. So they will have, quite naturally, what will happen? They will have children. One is the father, a rat is the father, and grey squirrel is the mother. Okay, so what are the children? White squirrels. So it is surprising. White squirrel. In this case, it is white squirrel. So that is the end of the adventures in a banyan tree. And in this story, you came across two events. Which are the first one, the battle between the mongoose and the cobra. And second one, what is it? The strange case of grey squirrel and white rat. That's all. Okay, thank you very much.